What's happening, peeps? Back in the garage. As you can see, EK put on the back burner for right now. We need to get the engine set up out of the MR2. Got some big plans for it. If you follow me on Instagram, you kind of got a hint. I put it in my Instagram story of what I was going to do. If you don't follow me though, click on the link in the description below and give me a follow. I give hints and stuff like that all the time in there, so let's get to it. Alright, so with the EK, I got someone who might be interested, but with the K24. So I got the TSX engine over there. So I'm going to wait until they're for sure, and we are going to put a K24 in this and get this thing sold. As far as the MR2 goes, I'll be very excited to share what we're going to do with it next week. Sometime, maybe in the next couple weeks. Just depends on the holidays and stuff. But for right now, let's just worry about getting this K20 out and setting it somewhere in here, not sure where. Maybe over here. I don't know. Maybe behind the Civic. We'll figure it out once we get it out. Alright guys, so we've made some progress here, as you can see. Just got to drain the coolant, and then she's probably ready to come down. I already got everything unhooked. Just drain the coolant. Got the axles out. Speaking of that, let me explain a little story to you. Before I got hurt, I actually got to take the car to the track. I didn't make a big deal about it. I didn't record it because I was just going there for 8th mile test hits. Wasn't gonna be nothing special. Just getting used to the car, get the launches down. This was the 3rd run of the night. I was going to actually let loose and go down the whole track. The car was running really great. The intake temps were like 70 degrees and it was a hot, humid day. It was perfect. As soon as I went to launch, my foot and my brain weren't on the same wavelength, and I popped the clutch too fast. I don't have a clutch slipper, so I was kind of creating it on my own. But unfortunately, that run, I was racing my buddy Chad, and I really just wanted to spank him, which I would have anyways, but wanted to get a really good run in. But anyways, so I thought I broke one axle on the passenger side. Turns out I broke both axles. I just got them out. So check this out. This is why you do not run 32 millimeter hubs. You really need to step it up to the 36. This was on launch, which I was only at 500 horsepower on the launch, and as you can see, boom, boom, both are gone. Here they are. I've outdid myself because last time I just broke one. Now I broke two. Clean break, but as you can see, they sorry, get this focus. They twisted pretty good. There's that one. There's that one. So, anyways, if you're gonna have that much power, don't run these axles. These are DSS 2.9s. They're rated for 550 horsepower, but that is a load of shit. I even left a review on their website, and they never approved it. So I'm telling you right now, if you're going to be running anything close to 500, might as well just go to the 5.9s, or you can always just keep replacing those B series axles. But I just figured, I was laughing so hard at this because I thought it was only one. Poor Cody. But don't worry, Cody already knows because he's the one who bought them. We'll get them fixed for him and get him in his MR2. So let me get back to pulling this thing out. Be right back. Alright guys and gals, got the engine out. I did fucking scratch it a little bit though. I'll just take it to my guy and have it fixed. Now we just gotta clean up some of the stuff here, get these water lines out, get that oil cooler out because I'm not using that, and get ready for the next swap. Alright guys, this is gonna be a short video. That's it. Really just wanted to get that engine out. I got coolant all over my floor. It was going so good until I jacked it up and then coolant just went everywhere. But next week I'll be able to officially tell you what's going in here, and I might even be able to show you. So just depends. I should be able to though, so. But if you already know what's going in the MR2 and you follow me on Instagram, please don't tell anybody on the comments. Let's just leave it for a surprise, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Okay, it's rap pack to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling.